Wish there was a way to pause this. All right, guys, give me a couple seconds here. I've got to change some magnitudes that just changed so I can get it up to you in the right practical order. All right. I'm sorry I'm going to be on the side of the camera, but they changed magnitudes again. Not magnitudes, depths of these earthquakes. All right, so I've got to update the depth. I went and just checked. I went, are you kidding me? Clearly, you kidding me? I'll be just a second, guys. I apologize. It'd be easier if I could just give it to you in kilometers, but some of you need to know the miles, and that's what I do. I put in the miles. Just verifying each one, so make sure you guys are up to date and right on target. All right, so let me get that to you now, so hang on. 27, that was right. 0.3, that was wrong. I have to change that one. Holy, I wish they quit playing with the numbers. That's just me, guys, just me. It's 12, 4, and then the last one would be 16, which is 9. All right, here we go, guys. I apologize. These are earthquakes that happened overnight to about 6:30. All right, and I'll get the ones from 6:30 on and do that at the noon report for you. So right now, a grand total of, let's see, there was 41 total. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 52 aftershocks so far in Nevada. All right. So let's go ahead and give you these earthquakes from overnight and into this morning. There was a 3.1 Halmahera, Indonesia at 71.4 miles in depth. USGS and EMSC. USGS said there was a 3.1 California, Nevada border region, 40 miles southeast of Hawthorne at 5 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 4.1, downgraded it to a 2.9, upgraded it to a 3.2. They've got it 42 miles southeast of Hawthorne at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links description box. There was a 3.5 Salta, Argentina at 131.1 miles in depth. A 3.5 Costa Rica. They've got that at 29.8 miles in depth. A 3.9 Timor Island region at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.9 Tropica Chile at 59.6 miles in depth. A 4.2 Dominican Republic. They've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. That was 6 miles southwest of Estro Hadro, Hardo. Okay. There was a 3.8 Java, Indonesia at 15.5 miles in depth. A 4.6 near the coast of near the coast of Nicaragua at 30 miles in depth. A 4.4 Crete, Greece. They've got that at 49 miles south of Irapitra, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Tropica Chile at 62.7 miles in depth. A 3.1 Nevada. Now here's where it comes in, guys. USGS said it was a 3.1 Nevada. They had it at 42 miles west of Tofa, T-O-N, Tanafa, at 4 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 4.2 Nevada, 14 miles west of Alamo at 9.9 miles in depth. Both links are in the description box. There was a 4.0 Tropica Chile at 60.8 miles in depth. A 3.5 Tropica Chile at 54 miles in depth. A 3.2 Crete, Greece. They've got that at 16.1 mile in depth. A 4.0, Guatemala. They've got it 4 miles east-northeast of NUEVA-CONCEPCION at 44 miles in depth. A 3.9. Now, if USGS and EMSC agreed, you get USGS, okay? There was a 3.9 Atacama, Chile at 27 miles in depth. A 3.3 Tropica, Chile at 73.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 Malaccan Sea at 65.8 miles in depth. According to the USGS, there was a 4.4 east of Kuril Islands. They didn't have any location. They had it at 6 miles in depth. EMSC said there was a 4.4 east of Kuril Islands. They've got it 204 miles south of Servio-Kurelsk at 12.4 miles in depth. Both links description box. There was a 4.2 Halmahera, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Guerrero, Mexico at 12.4 miles in depth. A 3.6 off the shore of Guerrero, Mexico, and that came in at 9.9 miles in depth. Hey, BJ, how are you, sweetie? And a 4.0 Nevada. They've got that 40 miles southeast of Hawthorne, and they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, like I said, I stopped this report at 6 a.m. I will do from 6 until noon. I'll get all those together for you, and I will get them up at noon, okay? Now, like I told you before, there was 52 earthquakes from the time I went to bed till 6 o'clock only, okay? 52 of them. Nevada, 3.9 and below, all right, to a 2.0. So I'll have those, just so you know. Hope you had some rest last night. Oh, no. With the USGS playing with the numbers, BJ, I didn't get any rest. I was waiting for them to either upgrade or downgrade it again. So, and in case you guys don't know what happened, USGS posted a 5.1. What was it? My mind's shot. I have the wrong book. Those yesterday's books. All right, they posted a 5.1 Nicaragua. And then they downgraded it to a 4.9 40 minutes later. Okay, I did an update for that as well. Your mind is shot and you slept. Sweetie, I have no mind right now. Right now, I'm just, okay. I need some coffee. I need coffee and food. I'm hungry. And I definitely need the coffee. Hi, Free TV. How are you, sweetie? BJ, thanks for coming in. I appreciate you. Yeah, I saw you last night on that website we were watching, Times. I appreciate you coming in. I know they were up late last night. I couldn't do it. Sorry. You have a big cup. Mine's big too, but it's sitting in the kitchen. So I've got to go get it. All links will be in the description box, guys. Hang on while I put them there, okay? Oh, copy. All right, let me paste these into YouTube for you before I forget. I almost did, talking with everybody. Going now to YouTube, we're going to edit, and we're going to put these links into YouTube for you. Please remember, all earthquakes are subject to change by individual earthquake centers at any time and any place. I don't make up magnitudes or depths. It's all them. It ain't me. All I do is give you links to go check it out for yourself. All right, let me make sure I've got everybody. Make sure I've got it. Educational purposes only. Paste. Save. I appreciate. It has not stopped, guys. It has not stopped since I got up this morning. I'm now pasting all these links into community for you so you can go right there and you don't have to rush to check them out. All right, so now they're in community. They're in my regular page. My regular page probably won't go up for another half hour, 45 minutes to 6 hours. Who knows what YouTube is going to do next. All right. Yes, I hear you. BMKG. All right. I'm just looking. You know there is a major hurricane heading for India if it hasn't already hit. All right. They're calling it a super hurricane, cyclone, a super cyclone. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get my act together. Go get me some coffee and a piece of toast and start working on the morning report. I mean the afternoon report. BJ, thank you so much. It is only beginning. I agree with you. I agree with you. Free TV, sweetie, thank you for coming in. Hold on, guys. Hold on, hold on. Australia just posted. We'll have to wait and see. They said it was a 5.1 Tonga. We'll wait and see. It's the only one that has it. There's no information and no data available. So I will wait. I will wait. Okay? God bless. Be safe. You guys are totally, totally awesome. Sending you guys much love. Big hugs for you. BJ and Free TV, thank you. God bless.